Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghibli art in Chatgpt. First, we'll explore the enchanting world of Studio Ghibli, focusing on its unique artistic elements. Understanding these foundational aspects is crucial for guiding the AI effectively. We'll then dive into crafting initial prompts that capture the essence of Ghibli's beloved aesthetic. Get ready to transform your ideas into beautiful, animated-style visuals with simple instructions. To create stunning Ghibli-style art, your prompts need to be precise. Start by describing your subject, setting, and the desired mood in vivid detail. Crucially, include phrases like Studio Ghibli style or Hayao Miyazaki aesthetic to guide the AI. Adding specific visual cues, such as soft watercolor textures and lush natural environments, will further enhance the authentic Ghibli feel in your generated images. Achieving the perfect Ghibli look often requires refinement. Don't hesitate to iterate on your prompts, adding or removing elements until you get the desired outcome. Pay close attention to the color palette, aiming for those signature soft, dreamlike tones. Emphasize subtle character expressions and naturalistic animation details to truly capture the emotional depth and warmth characteristic of Studio Ghibli's beloved works. For more advanced creations, consider uploading an existing image to Chatgpt for a Ghibli-style transformation. This can be a fantastic way to personalize your art. Also, explore different AI models beyond standard Chatgpt, as some offer unique interpretations of the Ghibli aesthetic. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enhance your home with smart technology and continue your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.